I wanted to talk about one student's success story. His name is Srinivas from Karimnagar. He completed his 10th class in 2010. After that, because of financial issues, he couldn't complete his degree. After 5 years of a gap, one guy helped him to join in B.R. Ambedkar Open University. That guy joined in 2015 and got a BA degree in 2018. After that, he wanted to get into some good industry. He approached many institutions in Amirpet, Hyderabad to learn some IT courses. But everybody told you do not have intermediate qualification, +2 qualification. You are having a distance education, that to BA. You cannot get into IT. You cannot learn IT. Even though you learn IT, no company can give you any job. That is what is the feedback he got. And after that, in 2020, he came and attended my data analytics course. And the first question he asked, sir, this is what is my history. Now I wanted to get into IT industry. Can I learn this course and can I get into IT industry? Then I said, yes, there is no problem. So he told me, sir, you are the first guy told me at least yes to me to learn the course. Whether I get a job or not, that is secondary. But nobody allowed me to join in their institutions because straight away they told me that I cannot get a job. Now that guy joined data analytics course in 2020. After the course, after 6 months, he got a job in Ahmedabad and with I think 8 lakhs or 10 lakhs salary package. That guy is currently working in one of the Bangalore top MNCs now with almost I think 18 to 20 lakhs package. So nobody can stop you in this world. Only you yourself is going to be stopping you. It is not your age or the qualification or the issues. Only thing is that you need to have proper mentoring, proper guidance, and proper skills are important to get into anywhere.